Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen here in Ms. Donzella Cooks. And today I'll be showing you how to make a sweet and savory breakfast dinner sandwich that I like to make. And we're going to be using some smoked deli turkey and ham and melted cheese, egg, and a touch of apricot preserves for a perfect balance of flavor. Sweet and savory. So if you've never tried sweet and savory together like this, you're in for a treat. So let's get started. And in my pan here, I have my deli ham and turkey. And I've sprayed my pan a little bit because I'm going to put my egg in there and I don't want it to stick. So let's just heat this up a little bit is what I want to do. Just like so. And here in my kitchen, it's all about easy, delicious, no stress, nothing fancy, no fancy tools, no fancy cookware. There's lots of love that goes into my food, and that's what should be the main ingredient in every dish that you prepare is love. So now that I have it kind of heated up here, so just put that all together like so. Doesn't take much, just heat it up a little bit. Okay. And I'll take it out. So put it right there on a plate. Okay, next we'll put in our egg. Let me put that down a little bit. Pepper. And a little bit of salt. So when you put enough oil, it sticks a little bit, but that's okay. We're still going to work with this. Okay, let's turn this guy. There we go. Okay, just going to sit that right there. Take this out the pan. All right. So here I'm going to put a little butter in this pan. We're going to brown our bread. And to this, I'm going to add my bread. Just going to brown it in the butter. Okay. Let's let that brown. And by browning it like this, friends, it'll be crispy on the outside and savory and sweet and flavorful on the inside. Okay, let's turn our bread. It should look like so. Now, friends, I have some provolone cheese and a little Kobe Jack cheese. So I'll be putting this on the sandwich. Okay, so let's put it on top just like this. All right, let's take that out. Now, friends, I'm going to add my egg and ham. So let's take that off just like that. Okay, friends, so to this, okay. Now, friends, let's put this all together. So I'm going to take my cheese, put it on top there. I have an apricot spread. Just put your apricot spread on there. Like so. It's regular organic apricot spread is what I'm using. You can use any type of fruit spread that you want. Jelly, jam, any preserves works. Whatever your flavor. Okay, friends. So we got that done. And here we will put that on top of there just like so. And here is what our breakfast sandwich looks like. Now let me just cut this in half and show you. Let's see here. And here we go, friends. This is our savory dinner breakfast sandwich or breakfast dinner sandwich, whichever way you want to put it. And on here we have the fried egg, we have some smoked turkey, we have some smoked ham, we have some provolone cheese, Kobe Jack cheese, and we toasted our bread in the skillet that we heated up our meat in. Quick, simple, delicious. Thank you for watching, friends. And until next time, if you like easy cooking videos like this, just like, share, and subscribe. And I thank you again for watching my video. And until next time, have a blessed day, friends.